What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Damon, and you are watching Life with Damon. And today, let's talk money. Stay away from day trading. Yeah, I said it. Stay away from day trading. Stay away from options, contracts. Stay away from swing trading. Stay away from all of that stuff if you don't know what you're doing. That's the caveat. Stay away from day trading if you don't know what you're doing. And statistically, most of you guys don't know what you're doing. Most people in this country don't know what they're doing when it comes to day trading. And if it were not true, the statistics wouldn't show. Do you know that statistically, 97 or somewhere like 99% of all day traders lose their money or lose money? 97 to 99% of day traders lose money. Now, those are statistics from 2020, but I would imagine those statistics are still the same. Most people who day trade, most people who, are in and out of stocks fast are losing their money, losing the shirts off of their back. There are millions, hundreds of thousands of horror stories out there. People who got involved with day trading and literally lost everything. That's why I am saying, if you do not know what you're doing, stay away from day trading in 2025. What we are seeing right now is one of the most volatile markets that I have ever seen in my 45 years of living. I mean, 1 week we are up 800,000 points, and then the next week we're down even more than what we were up before. This is a volatile, crazy market that we have right now. And if you are day trading and you don't know what you're doing, you are going to lose it all. Most of you guys watching this, watching this post are much better off just doing old school buy and hold and dollar cost averaging for a long period of time. Most of you watching this, that is the best investment advice that anybody can give you. Buy and hold. Make your investment on a weekly, bi-weekly, monthly basis, however you do it, whenever you get paid, make your investment and dollar cost average and hold your investments for the long term. That's the best investment advice for most people because when you start getting into day trading, you need a whole different set of skills. You need a whole different set of mental toughness. You need a different set of emotional toughness and emotional discipline, in order to really be able to succeed at day trading. In fact, a lot of traders on Wall Street, they'll tell you most people are not suitable for day trading. You ever watch those old school Wall Street movies and you see the traders taking the Maalox and the Tums by the bottle? It's because they've gotten ulcers and all kinds of stuff on the inside of their stomach linings. Man, from all those years of emotional and, of stress from being a trader on Wall Street. So if those professionals are, going through those types of things, what do you think is going to happen to you? And you don't even know half as much as those guys know when it comes to trading stocks and investments. So for the average person, I would not recommend you ever go anywhere near day trading. Now, of course, people are grown. They can make their own choices with the money that they earn and make for themselves. I'm not saying, that you have to listen. I'm just here to give most of you some advice if you are considering becoming a day trader in 2025. Most of us, me included, I'm not excluding myself from that conversation. I don't even want to day trade. I wouldn't even try to day trade. But most people are not suitable for day trading. You don't have the emotional intelligence. If you see red in your portfolio, you're going to sell and take a loss and make a big mistake off of emotions. You know how fast the markets move. The markets move extremely fast, and trying to time the market For the average person in America, it's just simply not a good thing. One of the commercials that I saw that ran all year long was the commercial about the mother who was buying the penny stocks and asking the kid what she wanted for her birthday, and she was like, "What you want? Like a mansion, or you want like this for your birthday?" And then it was just a lot going on. So I'm telling you, like, stay away from day trading in 2025 if you do not know what you are doing. Now, if you have money that you are willing to lose and it doesn't hurt you, you won't be upset. You ain't gonna be ready to take people out because you lost your money. It ain't gonna put you into a deep, dark depression because you lost that money. Then by all means, have at it. People go to Vegas every single day and they lose millions and billions of dollars every single year in Vegas, because to me, practically, that's what day trading is. It's just a glorified form of gambling. You say you're investing, but you're not investing, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Now, there are people out there who are so well versed in day trading and so well versed at trading options and all those kind of stuff. Shout out to Chris Sane Jr. Shout out to Wall Street Trapper. Those guys are good at what they do. But I'm sure they will tell you exactly what I'm telling you right now. If you don't know what you are doing, if you are not willing to put in the time, the effort, the hours of study that's required for you to succeed at day trading, then you need to stay far away from it. If you are not willing to consume books and listen to podcasts and watch videos on YouTube on a regular basis, if you are not willing to look at CNBC on a regular basis and hear what they, hear how the markets are moving and what's, the news that is driving the market and things like that. If you're not willing to really put in the work that's required to be a successful day trader, to be a successful trader just in general, because it will relieve you of a lot of stress, a lot of worry. It will relieve you of a lot of wasted money and time. And I just think a set it and forget it approach is way more appropriate for most people who are out there investing. So if you want to gamble, go ahead, gamble, have some fun. But if you really want to invest for your future long term, buy and hold, dollar cost average, set it and forget it. I have found, and I'm sure many financial advisors would recommend, that this is the best approach for the average trader, for the average investor. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate you guys for coming in and following my journey on YouTube. I'll holler at y'all next time and we'll talk again. Peace.